When the first tomato fruits begin to appear, this becomes the most important moment to feed the plant, and this is exactly when many gardeners make a huge mistake. At this stage, tomatoes use an enormous amount of energy because the plant is feeding the stem, leaves, and rapidly growing fruits at the same time. That is why they now need potassium more than ever, a mineral that plays a key role in developing large, fleshy, and flavorful tomatoes. I will pour about 400 milliliters of lukewarm water into a container and add 100 milliliters of low-fat milk. Milk contains calcium, which helps fruits become firmer and healthier. During this stage, the plant uses a huge amount of nutrients because it is simultaneously developing new fruits while trying to maintain strong growth during hot summer weather. That is exactly why additional calcium can help tomatoes develop stronger and fleshier fruits. It is unbelievable that most people throw the next ingredient into the trash, even though it is a real treasure for tomatoes. I will add 1 teaspoon of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in important minerals that tomatoes heavily use during fruit development and ripening. This nutrient plays a major role in the size, color, and flavor of tomatoes, which is why plants often develop fuller and meatier fruits. Wood ash also contains some calcium and magnesium, which can help the plant during summer stress and high temperatures. And now we come to the ingredient because of which many gardeners later get much larger tomatoes, even though almost everyone throws it away every single day. I will add banana peels cut into smaller pieces. If you want, you can also blend them. Besides important minerals, banana peels contain phosphorus, which supports flower development and energy transfer inside the plant during fruit ripening. Because of this, tomato plants often develop fuller fruit clusters and larger fruits that ripen more evenly. Leave everything to sit overnight. Then strain the mixture and dilute it with another half liter of water. But be careful, never water tomato leaves with this mixture because fungi can develop and later destroy the plant. It is also very important not to water tomatoes during the hottest part of the day. The best time to water them is in the evening when the soil is cooler and the plant absorbs nutrients more easily. Write in the comments if the first tomato fruits have already appeared on your plants and whether you will try this homemade fertilizer.